Hey sunshines, welcome back to my channel. So today you're just gonna see me playing Roblox, that's all. No, I lost. Now, I be the woman, you be the police. Okay. Wait, before that, let's go see what Wildfire is doing. Okay, let's put our toys down. Let's go. Okay. Wildfire, what are you playing? I think I'm playing a game. I can see. I'm playing Roblox. Can we play? Yeah, can we play? No, you guys are too young. Please. Please. I said no. Get out of my room. You're such a meanie weenie. Yeah. Come on, Alex. Let's go to our rooms. Yes, let's go. What did I say? You be the woman, I be the police. Oh yeah, I remember. Come on, let's take our toys. They're not really. What's a toy? We're playing with are not really yours, but okay. Help me, somebody help me. What's wrong? I'm being chased by your man. Okay, come with me. Okay. Let me just make some noodles. Okay, what should I cook? Wait, let me just see what okay. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. My group talks too much. There's nothing to cook. There's nothing to bake actually, so let me just get some water. Why did the electricity switch off? I also don't know why. Let's ask Mommy. That's a great idea. Huh? Why did the lights go off? And I just got disconnected from my game. Ugh. Huh? Why did the lights go off. Oh my gosh. Huh? What did the electricity go off? Oh my gosh, I hate this. Load shedding! Oh my gosh, I hate load shedding. Daddy, why were you making a noise? Why were you screaming? Yeah, we could hear you from our rooms. Kids, there's something in South Africa and the electricity goes off. There's load shedding. Load shedding? Yes, load shedding. Load, share, ding. Load shedding. Load shedding. That's what it's called. Oh no, is that a thunderstorm? I hate thunderstorms. Kayla, it'll be okay. Plus, we can tell scary stories. Scary stories? Nah, I'm good. Wildfire, you just spent time on that damn tablet. Fine. Huh? That's what I thought. Come on. Who's starting? Me. There was once upon a time, in a city, this boy was going shopping until he saw a car. Then he went to the place where people walk. And he said, I'll never walk by that street again. Only when the robots is wait for the cars. And then the robot was wait for the cars. He was going home. So he went home. So he crossed the road. And then this monster came up to him. And he said, come with me, come with me. And then the boy said, okay, since you're a little kid after all. Since you're a weird kid. And then the monster said, you now come, you weird kid. I'll show you what happens when you come, you weird kid. Wah! And then the guy passed out. The baby took him to where he lived. The monster took him to where he lived. And he put him by the trees. And that the monster went back to the city again. And that he was never to be found or seen again. The end. That's kind of story. That's why you shouldn't mess with the monster when they come up to you, because they might look like a small innocent child, but they can attack you. Okay. Anyway, that's all for today. Make sure to like and subscribe for part 2. Bye, sunshines.